Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next week. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, if you have watched my previous videos, then you know the levels very well because there has not been much change on the chart of Euro Dollar. Market is silent and market is choppy. Yesterday during the PPI and FOMC, we were hoping to get some move, to get some volatility, but unexpectedly we did not see much movement or volatility during the PPI and FOMC. But today we have CPI coming up, and the whole world will be watching CPI because today's CPI will be very important. So during the CPI, we can expect that at last we will get to see some good moves on the chart of Euro USD, and at least we will get a proper direction so that we can trade accordingly from the next week. Okay, this is the present chart of Euro USD. Okay, not much change. And if I take you to the chart of DXY, then you can see DXY is sleeping. Silence. Tufan se pehle ka sannata, silence before the storm. So not much things to discuss. So CPI will tell the next story. Okay. So my dear friends, as I just said, the levels are still the same. Okay, if market breaks 0.9, 0 looks like 6. Anyways, if market breaks 0.9665 with good amount of selling pressure, then you can go for a sell. But during the day, before the CPI, when we are not having much volatility, you can expect the market to leave. So before CPI, when there is not much volatility, if market comes down to this particular support here, observe the market, there's a high chance that during this less volatile phase, market will take support and bounce. If market bounces, you can go for a buy. But during the event, okay, during CPI, in case market forms a big red candle, then obviously Euro USD will not be able to hold the market, will not be able to provide support to the market. Okay, in that case, you can take a sell position below 9665. Okay, and as I said yesterday, your target will be 0.9630. This 0.9630 will be your first target. Okay, in case of heavy selling, if you see that there's a heavy selling going on, market is forming giant massive red candles, in that case you can continue with the sell position. Therefore this level will be very important. So it depends on you as a trader. Okay, so a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So before the CPI, before the news, when there will be less volatile situation in the market, we can expect the market to bounce from here and we can take a buy. But if market breaks it after the news, the situation will change and we can go for a sell as well. Okay, so it all depends on the situation. Do not trade blindly. Once market hits the level, observe the market for a couple of minutes, at least 15 to 30 minutes, and just see how the market is reacting. If you see market is taking support, price is being rejected from below, go for a buy. Okay, and on the other hand, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, then to be honest, we do not have any proper strong resistance on the chart of Euro USD right now. Okay, you can see I have drawn a black line here. 0.9830 to 0.9840. This can be a resistance level for the market in case DXY falls massively. Okay, DXY goes for a strong correction today, and if we see Euro USD forming big green candles, okay, then you should be continuing with the trend. But if you still want to take a sell position, this can be one level. Okay, but to be honest, okay, during the event you should be very careful because whenever news comes out, then most of the level fades in the market also. Okay, so if you are planning to take a sell position around 0.9830, 9840, okay, it can be risky during the event. Okay, under normal circumstances, we can expect the market to reverse. And before the news, okay, before the news, in this type of situation, when we are not seeing much volatility in the market, during the Asian session, during the European session, if market goes up, then we can also expect the market to reverse from 0.9730 to 0.9735. We can expect the market to reverse from this range here, but this level is will be applicable during the Asian or European session only, when there will be very less volatile or movement in the market. Under extreme volatility, these levels will not grow. You must understand that not all levels are equal. Okay, every level has got its own strength. So under normal, not normal, okay, under low volatile situation, we can expect the market to reverse from here. Okay, but during extreme volatility, obviously, forget about this level. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully you understood. So please follow proper risk management, calculate your position accordingly, and as I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.